is young, trying to get it through the folk, trying to be like the cool kid tucked inside the corner stove. I'm tired of smoking smoke, I'm tired of feeling cold. This life is like a joke, you done fucked up, you're not alone. Now what's the next move? I can't feel a clue. You're proud of me when I win or I lose. Apologies for my G's, homies on the ride. I'm just home writing deep, I'm home thinking deep. The bomb exploded, this is just a peek. It at the time, so y'all can still keep his dignity, his soul, his energy. But once the boat explodes, it's time for him to leave. Unclip the lease, release the beast. The keys all in, y'all cannot pretend y'all done made a man. If he broke your pen, at the end of the day, it was y'all who made him. I could change my ways, but what would happen if I was to end today? How would I live a good life? Man, I'm tired of all these lies. Yeah, said I'm tired of all these lies. I could change my ways, but what would happen if I was to end today? How would I live a good life? Man, I'm tired of all these lies. Yeah, said I'm tired of all these lies. Now I could change my ways, but what would happen? A young dude on the rise, folks keep on asking. I'm asking the face, place gets in waste. What can I do to walk my own way? You like judging? Well, there's a picture, go ahead and figure. I'm searching up the treasure, cause my mind is to get things together. And who y'all really trying to impress? Relatives to the rest. I'ma do my own shit, I'ma climb my own stairs, I'ma jump off my own cliff. Everything that I've been doing, y'all don't acknowledge it. And once the bomb explodes, it's time for him to leave. Once the bomb explodes, it's time to dig deep. Maybe he just had too much on the mind. Maybe he just had too much on the plate all the time. Maybe he just trying to ease up. Maybe he just trying to ease up. I could change my ways, but what would happen if I was to end today? How would I live a good life? Man, I'm tired of all these lies. Yeah, said I'm tired of all these lies. I could change my ways, but what would happen if I was to end today? How would I live a good life?